Okay, good morning. Here we have chapter 11, the gas laws. Today we're just going to talk about gas and pressure, and we're going to do some pressure conversions. So, what we have here is the definition of pressure as it relates to gases. Gas pressure is caused by the collisions of gas molecules with each other and with the surfaces they come in contact with. So if you have gas in a balloon, the gas molecules are hitting the side of the balloon, and that's what gives the balloon its shape and its size. So the pressure exerted by a gas depends on three things. The size of the container. So if it's a balloon, it's kind of elastic. But if you put gas in a can, not so much. Um, the temperature of the gas, which is just a measure of kinetic energy, and the amount of gas you actually have in your container. The barometer is used to measure atmospheric gas pressure. So this guy, Torricelli, in the 1600s, had to convince people there was such a thing as atmospheric pressure. And he did that by making the first barometer. Barometer is just a glass tube, and he actually used mercury. He put mercury in a shallow dish. He put a glass tube and in it that had like a curve in it, and he realized that the gas pressure, the atmospheric pressure, would push the mercury up the tube exactly 760 millimeters. Or give or take a little bit, depending on the pressure that day. But we decided that one atmosphere would be 760 millimeters of mercury. The SI unit, the metric unit for gas pressure, is the Pascal. But the Pascal is very small, so we use the kPa, the kilopascal, which is 1,000 pascals. 1 atmosphere, which is standard pressure, is equal to 101.325 kilopascals. 101.3 is good for us. Now you're going to do a simple math problem. You're going to convert 0.83 atmospheres to millimeters of mercury and to kilopascals. This is an important page in that you need to learn these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's pretty much 5 things. They're all equal to each other, and they are all standard pressure. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. 760 millimeters is 1 atmosphere. 760 torr, 1 atmosphere. 14.7 psi, 1 atmosphere. Get the idea. So here you can see we are going to take the unit atmosphere and put that on the bottom. We're going to put the unit millimeters of mercury on the top. We're going to put in the conversion numbers, and we're going to get out our calculators. We're going to do the same thing down the bottom, the second one, B. Atmosphere goes on the top, kilopascal goes on the top, atmosphere goes on the bottom, rather, and we can then just do the math. Here we have the simplified version. You can see 0.3 times 760 gives you the 631. 0.83 times 101 gives you 84.1 kilopascals. And that's really it. That's a pressure conversion. You got to learn how to do them. And that's about it for today. Tomorrow we'll talk about Dalton's law of partial pressures. Make sure you go to packet 9 and do the 10 problems on the pressure conversion worksheet. Thank you so much.